right, let's take a look at our problem. We have a PDF given piecewise function. We want to find the CDF. All right, so let's take a look at what our function looks like. It's very good to get an illustration, and it really helps to get us thinking. All right, so there's the PDF. We're going to draw the function. So it looks like that. All right, now we want the CDF. The CDF is the area under the curve. Okay, it gives us the probability. All right, so let's run this thing and show the area as x increases. Okay, so we're going to show an x value, and then we're going to show the probability that the random variable x is less than this particular x value. Okay, so you're going to see the area here fill in. The area is equal to the probability. So as the area fills in, the probability will be going up. All right. So here comes the area. All right. You see the probability increasing. All right. Let's just run that one more time. And I can stop it just to think about what's happening. Okay. So x is increasing, and let's stop it here. Okay. So at x 2.42, we're here, right? So the probability that the random variable is less than that value is 0.9. That's the area under the curve, okay? That is the CDF. All right, so how do we get that? Well, integration gives us area, right? So that's the key. Okay, so we have to look at the two different pieces. So the first piece is integration of the PDF. Okay, so here's the PDF, and we're going to go from 1 to x, because that will give us the probability that x, the random variable x, the big X, is less than x. Okay, so this is for 1 to 2. So we just integrate that, and we have our first piece. All right, second piece now goes from 2 to 3. And let's pause it here. Okay, so from 2 to 3, we need to get the, so it's, let's say it was 2.5. We want, this would give us the probability that x is less than 2.5. So we want this first piece from 1 to 2, and then the next piece from 2 to whatever x is. Okay, so that's the first piece, that's the second piece. So this we integrate. This gives us an actual value, and you should expect it to be a half, which is reasonable, right? Okay, so that's just integrating this. Notice that it's a negative here, okay, because of the negative x. All right, then you just integrate that, and we get an answer. Or we evaluate it here from 2 to x. All right, so we've got a minus a negative 0.5, so we got a 1 minus that. That's the second piece. Okay, so we put it all together, and you get your CDF. Okay, so it looks like this. Probability that x, big X, is less than a particular x is here. Let me just pause it. Oh, I lost it. Okay, you can pause it there and think on your own. I hope that was helpful.